In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and selecting albums or pictures. Then hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of and use those type of dots at the top left corner to pick multiple. If you want to keep some, tap on the chosen one, and to delete the rest, hit delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!